You've launched your app, you've added your keywords, and now what? The truth is, keyword strategy isn't set it and forget it. In 2025, the most successful ASO campaigns are powered by real-time keyword tracking and analysis. Why? Because the App Store is a living, breathing ecosystem. Rankings change by the hour, competitors move fast, and what's working today might not work tomorrow. So let's break down how real-time tracking helps you stay ahead, and how to set up your own live keyword dashboard that gives you an edge. First, what is real-time keyword tracking? It's the process of monitoring how your app ranks for target keywords over time across multiple geographies, devices, and platforms. You're not just looking at where you rank today, you're tracking trends, identifying patterns, and reacting to change faster than your competitors. Step 1. Choose the right tools. To track keywords effectively, you'll need ASO tools like App Tweak, Sensor Tower, or Mobile Action. These platforms provide live ranking data, traffic estimates, and competitive benchmarking. They also send alerts when your rankings spike or drop so you can act immediately. Step 2. Monitor your core keywords daily. Create a short list of your most important keywords. These are the terms driving the bulk of your visibility and installs. Set up daily tracking so you can see how your app is performing in search results in real time. For iOS, track by country since Apple rankings are localized. For Android, also monitor device categories and top charts. Step 3. Track keyword movement. ASO tools show ranking history, a timeline of how your app's position changes over days, weeks, or months. This helps you understand what's working and when. Did your ranking spike after a metadata update? Did it drop after a competitor changed their listing? This visibility helps you pinpoint cause and effect. Step 4. Benchmark against competitors. Tracking your own app isn't enough. Add 3 to 5 top competitors to your dashboard and monitor how their keyword rankings compare to yours. Look for keywords they rank higher for, and consider how you can improve your metadata or content to compete. Step 5. Identify new keyword opportunities. Use live suggestion features in ASO tools to find trending keywords. These are often long-tail terms that are rising fast, but still low in competition. If you can move quickly, you'll claim ranking before bigger competitors catch on. Step 6. Automate alerts and reports. Set up weekly or monthly reports that show keyword gains, losses, and opportunities. Use these reports to adjust your strategy, test new terms, and refine your targeting. Smart teams automate this process so nothing slips through the cracks. In 2025, keyword tracking is no longer optional. It's your real-time radar system. It tells you what's working, what's changing, and where to strike next. And when you use this data consistently, you'll build an ASO engine that adapts and grows in sync with your users and your market. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve in your competitors, get obsessed with keyword tracking. Because what you don't track, you can't improve. In the next lesson, we'll take your keyword insights and show you how to transform them into winning metadata that drives installs. Let's keep optimizing.